I was going through the lineup for the show and looking at everything we had. You know, I always look at the prices and I'm kind of going, okay, what's going to be most exciting in the show? I was shocked at every price on Temp-tations that I'm about to hit you with in a short period of time. To say that we are doing these oversized platters, a lot of you Temp-tationistas have seen these before. But to say that I am presenting them at $23.80 seems like some kind of error in price entry somewhere, all right? It's not, and we're running with it. It's customer top rated. I've presented it before. Many of our hosts have presented it before. It is timely. It's now. And it was already a crazy good price at $34. Now it's $23.80. Is that not the sweetest kitty you ever saw? It looks just like my daughter's sweet cat, Buttercup. She's a black cat. Okay, so let's go ahead and start there. Same features as all Temp-tations, oven safe, dishwasher, freezer safe. We'll talk about all that in a second. This, of course, is your cat choice. These are $23.80. Even if you just throw some pre-bought cookies on there. Okay, 200 left in the cat. All right, we have our spider web. These are hand painted. I mean, buy one of these inexpensive plate props and just put that up there as holiday artwork in your kitchen. Or maybe for all of harvest, including Thanksgiving. Here is your pumpkin. That's gorgeous. If you went into a gift shop, how much would that be? Then we have it in the leaf choice. So it's your falling autumn leaves and acorns, trimmed in green. And then, tell me you don't love this. Come on, it's the witch's hat. Oh, if you bought the witch's spell candles and you've got the witch's hat on an entryway table, how great that would be. Your easy pay is $7.93. It's $10 off. Tara Tesher joins us live via Skype. I remember presenting this with you, Tara. We're losing our minds here. This price is crazy.
I know. And now we're retiring it, right? Whenever you see a clearance price from Temp-tations, it means that we're not going to be able to do these pieces again. But what I love about it, they have become, obviously, their customer top-rated fan favorites because our characters, our buffetti patterns, our harvest looks are always one of those that you love to collect. So whether you're picking up that harvest and it's sculptural, these are all embossed and all individually hand painted. Each one has kind of that special touch to it. But like you were saying, and I know you have a beautiful table there, they're still the same stoneware. So everything these platters still go in the oven up to 500 degrees and they can still go in the dishwasher when you want to hand wash them, when you want to wash them. They go in the microwave if they fit. Some of the smaller ones might. And then, of course, the fridge and the freezer. And I love what you were saying, right?
Cat's gone, Tara.
I was just going to load up Esmeralda.
Oh, no, Esmeralda's going outside for a neighborhood roam.
Yeah,
wait, which one's the next to go, Brian? Pumpkin is next to go. I better head over to my pretty table then so you can see. Sorry to interrupt, Tara, but these are flying because people are smart. Yeah.
Look right in front of you. You have that beautiful, that is like the beautiful harvest feast of that gorgeous ham. It's probably about a 9-pound ham that's going to fit on that pumpkin platter.
That's this
And do
one.
you notice, Jen, that yes, you still have that great lip around it. It's easy to carry it. It's not dainty or delicate. It has that great well there. So if there's juices, nothing's going to run off the sides, you know. Whenever I'm designing, I want it to be.
See how it has that well? I mean, you literally could put smaller turkey, big ham, you know, pasta dish inside of there, and it's going to hold. So it's obscured by this amazing feast that our chefs have created, and that's awesome. But to prove a point, which is the sucker's hefty. If you're actually cooking or reheating something, don't be afraid of it cracking or fading. Oh, God, guys, I have to come back over here. Sorry, Stretch, because I have to give you more updates. 1,400 orders. 800 people on the phone lines. Don't wait on pumpkin. 1,200 remaining. Witch's hat. We'll show you that too. Sorry.
So cute.
Then we have the leaves. Once again, pumpkin, which everybody is ordering. It's now 1,100. And then our spider web in purple and orange. This is the one that I would bake the cookies for the classroom and send my kid into the classroom with because it's just kind of whimsical and cute. And look at what we did here.
Yes, we copied that, right?
Come on, it like reflects exactly what's underneath. Well done, guys.
Our stylists are amazing. And did you notice our cute spider too, Jen? I'm not a creepy crawly kind of girl either, but I put the witch's hat on our little spider with his cute little face. He's all individually hand painted. So again, I love the fact that, again, these patterns they're meant to bring you happiness and joy and celebrate the season. Maybe you don't go all out, but you want to layer in a couple of pieces, whether it be your harvest. And I love what you were saying. It's the longest kind of season that we have.
That's right.
Or it's that you want to just have some fun with, of course, our buffet. And all these pieces that you see, whether it's layered in with the charcuterie there, we're also going to share those with you as well. They're also available. So
yeah,
I love the idea of
these
layering
really
pieces
pretty
too.
ramekins that you're seeing on the table and the mugs, these are also available. If they're not presented, they will be mentioned. So stay tuned for that. You might want to hold off, do it all in one cart. Oh my gosh, these pigs
Did you
in
see
blankets.
our mummy hot dogs?
They're mummy hot dogs. Stop it.
Yes.
Look at that.
So cute.
That's the shot.
These
That's my
are the
favorite shot of the show. It's
traditions,
not even
right?
a product.
These are the traditions that we start to make year after
That's
year.
so
but
great.
again, this is that item that we at Temp-tations, I cannot personally make it anymore. So if you've been collecting them or you want to add them to your collection already or gift them, this is the time to do it. All the buffetti patterns there with the witch's hat, the pumpkins, the leaves. There's really kind of a look for everybody.
Oh, I don't know, Tara. I think I keep going back to, and I love how this is all displayed, but I keep going back to, I just want to buy a plate stand.
Yes,
and have
exactly.
this in the kitchen, anywhere against the wall where there isn't currently an appliance, and just prop it there as holiday decor. What would you spend $24 on to decorate your home for harvest or for Halloween that you couldn't use for anything else, right? It's just something pretty that you would hang on the wall. It would easily be $24 or more. This is holiday decor, but first and foremost, it is functional kitchenware. It is oven safe, refrigerator, freezer safe, dishwasher, microwave. It's all of that. It's meant to last, and it was meant to last at $34. But read the reviews there. Customer top rated, Tara. I bet people are saying it was even more beautiful in person.
Well, and bigger, right? Because I think sometimes when we're like even this, when you just saw like that 9-pound ham, what I love about it, would it have just been easy to do a round platter and put these leaves? Of course. But the fact that it's all sculptural, you can actually hear my nails running along those. You have that braided detail that's then hand painted. There's over 15 different colors in the painting that you see just on the harvest alone.
Wow.
From your burnt reds to your yellows to your greens. These are one-of-a-kind hand-painted pieces by artisans. So I think when you get it home, you're like, wow, this is much bigger than I thought. Wow, the presence is so great. The beautiful details. It's one of those showstoppers that again has been so popular for us.
You're right. She's going to get this home and go. I mean,
wow.
I don't mean to speak as though you've never bought Temp-tations before. I know a lot of folks have, but if you haven't, you might get this home and think it's flat and it has a pretty pattern on it. And maybe it's hard to do in a color like this, but do you see how there are ridges in there, grooves, like the veins of a leaf would have? You can touch and feel the texture of all of these leaves. It's a collectible piece like they used to have in the old days. And that's exactly what it is in present day. Even this like rim around the leaf platter feels like the cabling of a sweater. And it has that texture to it. It's amazing. So it's something beautiful. You're gonna put it out, I don't know, when you get it, right? Mid-August. And you'll leave it out all through Halloween and Thanksgiving in this case. And depending on, you might just love having it all the time. Okay, so it's the leaf choice, witch's hat, pumpkin. 700 remain in the pumpkin. 2,500 total have been ordered. Okay, and then spiderweb. Don't forget about that too. All right, we're gonna spend a couple of minutes. I'm just gonna pop over here real quick.